Ever notice how the harder you try, the more she pulls away? You text faster, reply longer, show more interest, and somehow she invests less. I've been there. There was a girl I was talking to. Great vibe, long calls, consistent energy. Then 1 week, replies slowed down. Old me would have panicked. Double text, over-explain, try to fix the vibe. But this time I did something different. I didn't chase the shift. I stayed calm, focused on my week, matched her energy. 2 days later, she initiated, asked if I was pulling away. That's when it clicked. Attraction doesn't grow from pressure. It grows from space. And when there's space, there's risk. Risk of losing you. Step 1. Value your access. Be honest. Have you ever rearranged your entire schedule just to be available? She cancels last minute. Most guys respond with, "It's okay whenever you're free." Sounds nice. But it quietly says, "My time adjusts to yours." Now flip it. "No worries. I've got a busy week too. Let's see." Calm. No attitude. You didn't punish her. You simply showed your time matters. When access isn't automatic, it becomes valuable. Unlimited supply kills urgency. Step 2. Emotional control. When her energy dips, what happens to yours? If your mood depends on her replies, she feels that. And dependency reduces perceived value. Next time she sends dry texts, try this. Don't overcorrect. Don't interrogate. Don't spiral. Stay steady. Continue your routine. Confidence isn't loud. It's stable. And stability signals strength. Step 3. Visible momentum. Here's reality. If she believes you have no other options socially or emotionally, there's no incentive to invest more. This doesn't mean jealousy games. It means growth. You're progressing. You have friends. You're active. When your life feels full, she senses it. And when someone with options chooses you, that choice feels meaningful. Humans naturally value what's in demand. Step 4. Selective attention. Constant validation feels good at first, but over time it loses weight. Instead of daily compliments, space them. Instead of over-explaining interest, show it subtly. One day you notice something specific about her. You mention it once. Then you move on. Now she thinks about it later. Why? Because selective attention creates impact. Predictable praise is comforting. Selective praise is memorable. Step 5. Leave room for discovery. Early oversharing feels honest. But mystery builds depth. If she asks about your past, give her layers gradually. Not because you're hiding, but because depth unfolds over time. People invest more in what they slowly uncover. Curiosity strengthens attachment. Now here's the psychology behind all of this. There's a principle called loss aversion. People are more motivated to avoid losing something valuable than to gain something new. Think about limited releases, exclusive invites, scarce opportunities. Value increases when access isn't guaranteed. Back to my story. When I stopped overcorrecting and started valuing my own time, she felt the shift. Not because I manipulated anything, but because I stopped making myself predictable. And predictable effort removes tension. Healthy tension creates investment. Quick pause. Next time she flakes or pulls back, don't react instantly. Test this. Then come back and tell me what changed. Because here's the key. This only works if it's real. If you're pretending to be busy but waiting by your phone, she'll sense it. If you fake confidence but crave reassurance, it leaks. This isn't about making someone anxious. It's about becoming grounded. Build a life where she adds to it, not completes it. Have goals. Have standards. Have direction. When you stop chasing validation, your energy shifts. And when your energy shifts, so does her response. Let's recap. Value your access. Control your emotions. Build visible momentum. Be selective with attention. Leave room for discovery. Master those 5. And watch what happens. Because the moment she realizes you're not dependent on her approval, that's when she starts investing. You don't beg. You don't pressure. You don't convince. You choose. And the man who chooses is the man who becomes hard to replace. Not because he created fear, but because he created value.